Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your tip of the day. Today's tip is a simple one, but one that some may not like, yet unfortunately it's critical. Now let me set this tip up by telling you something about me, and I feel it's the same with others, and that is I'm horrible at remembering names. I don't know why, but I am. So consider this. I come into your dealership to shop for a car. You introduce yourself to me and tell me your name. Do you really think that I'm going to remember it? Now, the time that I spend with you is just a little bit less personal. But that can change. You see, if you wear a name tag, I will always know your name. Heck, I might even call you by it numerous times. Even better, I'll remember it after I leave. So my tip is simple. Do you want the customer to remember your name? Then always wear a name tag. Good luck and have a great day selling cars today.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.